We've got some beautiful fall knits for you, and I'm just really thrilled to bring them to you. We're going to start off with just kind of a Rorschach print. It's beautiful. It's an animal print, and yet you see different things every time you look at it, or I do. It's a black and a gray. Just really pretty. It's got stretch in both directions. It's a viscose, and it's lovely. That new cowl, that 126, would be beautiful in this. We have a cotton poly. This knit has great drape, incredible drape. Now these are going to be $19.99 today only. Some are not. There's a couple that are not, but most of them are going to be $19.99, and then they'll go up tomorrow. And then we have this one is also viscose, 100% viscose. Just a very cool. This could really be a pant, but it's a beautiful jacket. The 926, our new jacket that's coming out, this would be perfect for that. 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Just really beautiful drape. This is a unique piece, so this one's not any special price. It is 100% wool. It's obviously graded from top to bottom. It's light blue at the top and black at the bottom. I'll hold that like that so you can see it. Probably 2/3 is black and 1/3 is blue. It's 100% wool. It has stretch in both directions. This is just a beautiful piece. There's only a few yardage, so 2 yards would be one. 2 yards together would be one. This is a lovely jacquard. You can see this is a great jacket weight. It has stretch in both directions. And again, just $19.99 today. Just a really great price. You can see it's a beautiful jacket. You put a little zip in there, you'll be ready to go. This is also just beautiful. This has stretch in both directions. It's like a denim, very denim-y. Both sides are usable. This also would be great for that new jacket, 926. And it's 100% cotton. Yeah, 100% cotton. So really beautiful. Again, that one is not $19.99, and this one is not $19.99. The rest are for today only. And the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.